Welcome. In this session of Down to Earth, we would focus on some of the important topics. For example, alternatives to LPG. So, the iron, which is the press that you do, now has been shifted to LPG, use of LPG rather than the electricity. This would reduce the electricity consumption, and this is under the ISTRI project, which is released in 2019. Now, Africa would be paying Europe for the energy crisis, which is there, and this is in way with the fossil fuel investments in Africa done by Germany and Italy. The next is climate action, the basis of climate action. So the various exclusive economic zones, nearly 30 million square kilometers, provide half of the world's tuna fish, which is the most popular fish, and these now have been affected by the climate change. The recent monsoon season has seen a dry beginning. There have been various spells of dry weather, and the plants need at least 15 days dry before they can be harvested. But the monsoon has moved forward, and this has affected the fertility of the soil. Now, climate change across India has been seen. Some of the states have seen above normal climate change, which has led to higher rapid melting of the glaciers and the precipitation. However, on the other hand, there are some states which have witnessed lesser amount of climate change, but this overall has affected the climate and the atmosphere. The next is the diseases like diphtheria, polio, measles have seen a comeback, and this is because of the roll down in the vaccination during the COVID time. If we talk about female participation in Panchayati Raj, we have nearly 1.45 million female representation, but when it comes to parliament, it's just 12%. So the representation drops down significantly till the time it is reserved, and in the Panchayati Raj system, there is a significant proportion which is seen, but as it moves to the upper hierarchy, the representation declines significantly, which is matter of real concern. Now, there have been various projects. For example, in Kerala, Kudumbashree is a project to increase women participation. Membership of the adult women in part of this effort has been done. The next is the agenda for the president. Now, important thing to note is all the executive power are constitutionally vested by the president, and according to them, they have the right to protect, preserve, and defend the constitution. And a president acts as the guardian of the fifth scheduled areas. Now, this is where they can declare any area with most of the tribal population under the fifth schedule. Now, fifth schedule mandates laws which separate the Panchayati Raj Act and the Nagarpalika Act in the tribal dominated area, and PESA in 1996 for rural tribal area was one such effort. So crimes against scheduled caste, scheduled tribes have been comparatively seen with the previous years. There have been cases of land alienation, loss of access, overtake of the forest areas, impact on the development project. The next is human milk donation project. So breast milk is considered as ideal. However, in the recent years, there have been frozen milk banks which are created, and this facility was first established in Brazil in 1943. However, Brazil today is the largest human milk bank network. India is planning on the same line. The concern is, in order to have this, there have been categories of people who have been commercializing it, exploiting and trafficking the women and the girl for the same. So that needs to be checked. However, as of now, there are 50 milk banks in each of the all of the metropolitan cities. Mumbai, Bangalore, Chennai have 5 to 6. Delhi has 2 to 5. Kolkata has 1 or 2, which is actually a good sign of development. But at the same time, we need to understand that trafficking is not done and exploitation is not done. The next is Dantewada, which is one of the regions with highest levels of malnutrition, has to be checked. Now, there have been farmers moving to organic farming from the traditional farming and millet. So how this grows, and Dantewada has set up an exceptional example for the organic farmer produce company which has been established in the regions. We are also talking about various indigenous and original products. Adim is one of the projects. There are 50 raw to semi-processed products in the catalog. which includes Lokati Machi, medicinal Sakta rice, aromatic Java fool, and so on. So, those are some of the efforts which have been done. Now, during the COVID-19, we have seen various districts in Maharashtra focusing on the government schemes, but districts of Ratnagiri, Sindhudurg have been working significantly, finding out the options for district development, and so infrastructure has become a key. Ratnagiri and Sindhudurg account for 60% of the cashew production, but this is not directly exported because there are transportation gaps. So, to bring in one district, one product, and Cashew Export Promotion Council to be established with other such efforts. Similarly, crab cultivation under Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana is a good effort to work for the sustenance. The next is understanding the illegal trade, mainly in timber and fish, which has significantly high representation from India, and the illegal trade needs to be checked. Now, there are various countries allowing different types of trade. For example, Tanzania allows hunting tourism. Nambia establishes communal conservancies. Rural community living in wildlife in Zimbabwe gets a share for sustainable area. SITS project is important. Under this, various animals have been important. For example, in Canada, polar bear; Mexico, bighorn sheep; Peru, you have yellow spotted river turtle. There is a break. Sorry, so it's a yellow spotted river turtle. Now in Brazil, it is pirarucu, which is used for skin and meat. Bolivia, vicuña, the fiber for which it is traded. Ibex and makor in Tanzania, which are used for trophy hunting. Australia, it is the saltwater crocodile. Egypt, it is Nile crocodile. The skins of these are used. Then there are various communities which are talking about the various animals and using those animals. So, for example, Jarawas use wild pigs. Nagaland tribes use bushmeat. Wild boar by the Kond tribe in Odisha are some of the examples. The next is Zika. Zika is spread across India. Now, Zika is a mosquito-borne disease. It has a symptom similar to dengue and malaria, where viral fever, rashing, vomiting, and seizures. However, there are no known methodologies to actually stop it, and microcephaly is one of the conditions which is seen. Some other important news: there are various confirmed cases of Marburg virus seen in Ghana for the first time. The air quality management has talked about a GRAP, which is a graded response action plan for the national capital region. There have been deaths of pigs which have been unknown in Lucknow, Fezulganj area. There are various approaches for understanding the invisible Bhadralok, which is one of the books by Parimal Bhattacharya, talking about the various haunt of population living in the flood-prone areas of Bengal and Orissa. So, those were some of the top highlights from Down to Earth. The complete information of Down to Earth and the summary is available in the handouts on the study material section on Examrace. The detailed links for those are available in the description below. Wish you very good luck for your exam preparation. Have a wonderful day ahead.